The morning sun rises gently over Buôn Ma Thuột, a central city of Highlands in Vietnam, painting the sky in shades of gold and soft orange. You turn the key, the engine hums to life, and the adventure begins. Ahead lies National Highway 27, a ribbon of road that winds its way through the soul of Lắk Lake province. As you leave the city behind, the air grows fresher, carrying the faint scent of coffee blossoms drifting from the fields. On either side of the road, life unfolds in its own gentle rhythm. Farmers in conical hats bend over green fields, their laughter mixing with the distant clinking of cowbells. Small roadside stalls offer ripe bananas, sweet pineapples, and the warm smiles of people who have called this land home for generations. The road stretches onward, framed by rolling hills that rise and fall like gentle waves. In the distance, majestic mountains stand guard, their peaks brushing against the clouds. The national road curves gracefully, revealing hidden valleys, sparkling streams, and the occasional herd of buffalo making their slow journey across the fields. Every few kilometers, the scenery shifts. You pass through sleepy villages where children wave from their bicycles, their laughter chasing after you like a friendly echo. Wooden stilt houses rest quietly beneath towering trees, their weathered walls telling stories of time and tradition. The further you drive, the more the road feels like a gateway, not just to Lâk District, but to a deeper understanding of the Central Highlands. Here, nature and culture are inseparable. The land is alive with the songs of cicadas, the whispers of the wind through the forests, and the rhythmic beats of gongs from a distant village celebration. And then, after a final bend, the view opens wide. Lâk Lake, shimmering under the sun, embraced by mountains and untouched greenery. The water mirrors the sky, so still that it feels like time has paused just for you. This is the kind of place where you can breathe deeper, feel lighter, and remember what it means to truly wander. The journey from Buôn Ma Thuột to Lâk isn't just a drive, it's a passage through beauty, tradition, and the quiet magic of the Highlands. One road, countless memories waiting to be made. So, the question is, when will you pack your bag, hit the road, and explore this route with VietnamTraveller? Welcome to join us